Okay, so we're going to establish identities. Well, we're going to establish one identity in this recording. So the identity that we wish to establish is sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta plus 1 plus cosine theta over sine theta, and we wish to establish that it is identical to cosine, 2 times cosecant. So, draw my wall. Things can't cross. Now, I have 2 fractions. This would be nice if I could write them all over a common denominator. So my goal now is to get a common denominator. So I have 1 plus cosine on the one side and sine on the other. So if I multiply the first fraction by sine on top and bottom, and I take the other one and multiply it by 1 plus cosine, then I have my common denominator. And my common denominator is 1 plus cosine theta times sine. And then on top, I get sine squared theta plus 1 plus cosine theta squared. Now I'm going to have to get in, continue on to the next page. Okay, just rewriting here so we got it where we can see it. Okay, there's what I'm going for. Now I'm going to expand right here so the sine squared stays the same. I get 1 plus 2 cosine plus cosine squared. So remember, when you square a binomial, you don't get just 2 terms, you get 3. And it's all over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. And now I see I have a cosine squared and a sine squared. If you look on your formula sheet, you see that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So these are going to get replaced with 1. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 2 cosine theta all over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. And now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I can factor the 2 out front, and I get 1 plus cosine theta over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. The 1 plus cosine cancels the top and bottom, and I get 2 over sine, which is equal to 2 cosecant. So they're the same. The two sides of the expression are identical. We have shown the identity.